How to removing cream and sugar wax at home. Have you ever used wax or a cream for removing hair? The answer will be of course yes. The use of such products has greatly increased these days. You all have unwanted hair on different body parts such as in your pubic area, underarms, arms, legs, upper lip. Even, the hair are found on your full face. The presence of these hair on face especially takes off the feminine beauty of women. Thus, this beauty issue is of serious concern. For hair removal, women use wax, cream, and even, the use of laser treatments is also becoming common now. All of such solutions just remove the hair temporarily. Here, I have permanent solutions for you. In this video, I am going to share with you the recipe to make homemade sugar wax and cream for permanent hair removal from your private parts at home. DIY sugar wax and hair removing cream. Remedy 1. Wax for unwanted hair. To make wax at home to get rid of your unwanted hair, the ingredients you will need are: ingredients: sugar, 2 cups. Lemon juice, 1/4 cup. Water, 1/4 cup. Procedure: put the ingredients in a saucepan and boil for 10 minutes. Watch the bubbles, and when the bubbles take light brown color, lower the flame. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. When the mixture takes golden brown color, turn off the stove. Now, you will get the homemade sugar wax for hair removal ready for use. How to use: use this wax for 3 days continuously, and get rid of unwanted hair forever. Remedy 2. Cream for unwanted hair. Ingredients: baking soda, 1 tablespoon. Water, 200 ml. Procedure: mix the ingredients, and make a smooth mixture. How to use: use the remedy regularly 3 days in a week, and it helps to remove unwanted hair completely. This homemade sugar wax and cream for the removal of unwanted hair is very effective, and also, it is safe for your skin. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and videos. Stay tuned.